Damn. I'm gonna see. Now, now this is gonna be awkward. It's gonna be awkward as hell, cause. All right, let's pull this thing up. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? This is gonna be funnies. Let's see if this stuff actually works when I need it to. All right. Ain't. Ooh, I'm there. I'm there. All right, say less. I'm in. Oh, what's going on, crypto? Let me stop playing with y'all. What's going on, crypto cousins? I'm here, man. Give me 2 seconds. I just had to pull some stuff together. My bad, y'all. What's good, War Kettle? What's going on? I love my people from Cyprus. How you doing, War Kettle? Hey, Scotty P Crypto. What's going on, fam? How you doing? Yo, Kev G. What? Kev C. G Day, man. Good morning, bro. How you doing, man? Crypto, man. That's all. That's all it is. Early in the morning. Early. You know, I had to put on a shirt real quick, man. I had to put on a shirt real quick. I can't be. I can't be out here with my titties out and whatnot. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going, man? Man, y'all not gonna be out here making me late for work. What's going on? Tomorrow, Sean. Well, how you doing, Sean? Chilling, Maru. Good morning, man. Why do people like? I'm just gonna get into it because it's early. I gotta make sure, I gotta go to work in like an hour or whatever, and I'm just gonna get into this stuff. But I just want to say hi. It's 2 p.m. here. Beautiful afternoon. See, I'm trying to. What I'm saying. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to get worldwide, baby. What is it? I want that. I want that. Flow rider money. I need that flow rider money. In America, he ain't nothing, but around the world, that man getting that bread. You know what I'm saying? But people don't know that. But I just want to look at this Bitcoin chart first. I'm on the weekly chart, but I'm about to pop off to the daily chart. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. This does not look any types of good, bro. Any types of good whatsoever. Like, real dips are bought down here. Real dips are madly bought down here, bro. And right now, we not even down there yet. We're looking at the RSI, and we're not oversold on RSI. Well, like, big companies, they're waiting for like this kind of indicator. They're waiting for like a crash event to happen to get in. But looking right here, just looking, and I'm not really let me stop saying I'm not really a TA dude, because I definitely use this TA to look at stuff. I use, especially on the daily, these are the things I use. I use the RSI, MACD, and VPVR, and that's about it. Like, I don't try to do too much. I don't try to do moving averages. I'm just going with the flow. Naked trading. That's what Data Dash be saying. He be naked trading. Hey, smash up the likes. Stop playing with me, dog. Stop playing with me. Everything sound good though. Y'all can hear me. I'm only DCing Bitcoin going to pump. Is it gonna pump? I'm a little worried. Because right now, on the MACD, the daily, y'all remember back here a couple of weeks ago, I'm like, y'all see this? It was like, I believe Saturday or Sunday. I was like, guys, when this crosses, we hurting. And right now, it crossed again. Back here when it crossed, I was like, oh, Lord. And we hurt. We were hurting right here. We took that nice little dump, whatever. But just looking at the VPVR, like I'm telling you guys, right? Like, 47,000 is a nice good area we can come back down to. Even the grand area of 40K, we can. I'd love to see a 40K Bitcoin. As much as people don't want, I'd love to see a 40K Bitcoin. just because it's like, all right, people scared, people think it's not going away, people thinking that it's gonna go away, people thinking that's gonna dump. That's what I want to see. I want to see people thinking it's going to dump. That's how I know we're about to pump. But everybody saying that we're about to pump makes me feel like we're about to dump. Because of course you have right here, I'm not gonna lie to you, everyone was like 60K, we're about to do it. And then look at you now. It's Thursday of the next week. Look at you now. Looking sick, looking tired, looking hurtful. I don't want that. You know what I'm saying? I don't need that. But just continuing on with the Bitcoin pump, I think we have a little bit more to go. If today is not another red day, it's probably going to be like a lighter red day. You're a contrarian. Yeah, I've never liked going with the flow when it comes to like people. I've never liked just following the crowd sometimes. It's just always me. And of course people are like, oh, you're trying to call the top. And I'm not trying to call no top, bro. Y'all trying to call the tops. Look, I already have a destination where I'm trying to go. But that's just what Bitcoin's looking like right now. But I was really looking at the Bitcoin weekly. This really looks like we're just consolidating up here at the top. Yo, what's good? Don't follow the herd. You right? Doge Lord of Parrot. Yo, live stream first thing in the morning. Yeah, man, I'm forcing myself to come in first thing in the morning, man, because I find it that when I try to come home after work to make videos, I just don't have the, it's not even that I don't have the will. I don't have the conviction. But when I wake up first thing in the morning, gas prices are low. I'm only trading on my trading wallet type stuff. And I don't know why. I'm like, why aren't I just live streaming when I'm up here this early? I just be thinking that no one's up. Like, and I'm just like, whatever. But then not even exhausted. It's just like, I'm up. It's just, I've been at work staring at a computer all day. You know what I'm saying? We're going to range from 55K to 59K until May. Man, I'm worried about what's going to happen next week. Because y'all know next week, the Coinbase, like everybody's talking about the Coinbase IPO. Like people who aren't really in crypto was reaching out to me yesterday talking about this Coinbase IPO. And then what was it? Yesterday, people were coming out there talking about, look at this. They've made more money in the first quarter of they made more money in the first quarter of 2021 than they did the entire year of 2020. I need y'all to think about that. Coinbase. Stop, bro. They're making billions of dollars, bro. Billions. And they have very little Bitcoin on the exchange to show. They're making billions off of people. That's why I'm like, look, guys, there's no way. Jumped 800. These looking like Bitcoin numbers. Now, granted, you also have to understand it's a cryptocurrency company, so of course its valuation is gonna stay correlated with Bitcoin. You get what I'm saying? I was talking to Loki on my Sunday live stream, and I'm like, bruh, this is what they're going to do. They're going, when this IPO comes out, and of course, if we know that every IPO that comes out, especially right now in the stock market, has its initial pump and then initial dump, just like, DeFi altcoins that just got listed on Uniswap, has an initial pop, and then everybody who got in the pre-sale has enough liquidity to dump on people, and then they're dumping on people. You get what I'm saying? So this is what's going to happen with the Coinbase IPO. It's going to come through. It's probably going to have its initial pop and then dump. And so who you think is going to get that dump with it? Because if Coinbase's IPO stock share is dumping, then it's going to cause us to dump too. I'm not trying to push that narrative. I'm just letting you know that's the narrative that they're going to be pushing in a couple of weeks. Trust me. And we're all the YouTubers are going to be talking about the same thing. Why are we correlating the price of Bitcoin to Coinbase shares? Man, stop it. But you guys know it's coming. And I'm ready for it. Like I said, I'm ready for this like stupid dump. Because the thing is, I'm looking at the weekly right now. Right? This is the weekly. I usually stay on the daily, the weekly. But I'm looking at the weekly. You know what I'm saying? And this is what I'm seeing. Move my face. Move face. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this. And I'm like, geez, this is scary. Like, this is really, really scary. This was the biggest dump I've seen in this current bull run, but I'm really expecting something more like this. Because if we go back here, and I was using the RSI and the MACD, and I'm like, where is a point where the RSI just looks like it's going stupid bananas? And right now, this is like, if I go to the RSI now, this is the RSI now. This is what we look like, weekly chart, RSI. Not RSI, MACD. I'm over here confusing indicators, y'all, but I have to use multiple ones. MACD. This looks like it wants to come back down to this line because we haven't touched this line since October of 2020. It has to come back down to this line and at least test it. Now, if we're coming back down to this line, because even this line looks like it wants to curve and come back down. This one looks like it wants to curve and come back down. Everything. And so I went back into like the past years and I'm like, when was the last time it went parabolic like this and didn't come back down to the line? It wasn't until the end that it finally quit. Now, I'm not saying that we're at the end. What I'm saying is we got to do one of these right here. What is this? You see right here, a crazy drop to shake everybody, to scare the hell out of them. 40%. We haven't had a 40% drop in a while, and I'm waiting for it. I need it. I'm begging for it. Like I'm like a crack fiend fiending for this drop. I want it so bad, but then I already know it's gonna look ugly for all of us. Everybody gonna be like, man, Mackenzie, why you called me for this drop? But just going back to this is, like I said, I want to see this happen right here. This is what I want us to get really, really close to it. Everybody gets scared out, and then we off. So right now, we're not close to it yet, and we haven't tested that close to it yet. But coming back down to it, that looks like around 50, 40, that 40 makes it feel like it's going to cross. You know what I'm saying? But that's just like the Bitcoin chart. I'm gonna get you guys, and like I said, guys, we're not talking about like too many. I'm just looking at indicators and stuff like that this morning. News articles. I might come back on live streaming tonight. I'm not gonna make any promises, but we can get into some news articles tonight. I'll probably collect some throughout the day and just start talking about my opinion on these things. But no promises. How y'all doing in the chat? Who's all here early in the morning? Spam what's up early in the morning, man. Kev C, yup. War Kettle, S&P 500 equals Bitcoin price, yup. Doge Lord, surprise, we're all up, yup. AO, yup. So just going back to it right now, have you taken profits from Bitcoin as you're waiting to expect a dip? Only time I take profits in Bitcoin is when I have I have a trip coming up soon for my birthday. And of course, they sent out stimulus money. I used some of that stimulus money to pay for my trip. But like before I did that, I had to, cash out some crypto, cash out some altcoin gains, just so I can make sure that I can pay for my trip early, because that's not the only trip I have. I have my trip that I'm going to this year. And then I have my friend, his bachelor party trip that I'm going to this year as well. So I take out that much, you know what I'm saying? Little things like that. If this month I want to like splurge on a little something, nothing crazy, I'll take out some cash for that. I'll take out some and it's usually altcoin gains. I don't take out Bitcoin gains. Bitcoin, I just hodl, guys. And when I tell you I'm for real just hodling Bitcoin, like Bitcoin, I just hodl. I only take out gains in altcoins. That's it. And then just, pay that out. USDC, just to be specifically. Now, even though I'm expecting the dip, I've said it multiple times. I'm not selling till 100K. I'm not taking Bitcoin profits till 100K, because then 100K And low key 100K might just be the tipping point. We might go higher, but because so many people are screaming 100K, we might will it there. But at the same time, I don't, you know what I'm saying? Too many people are confident that 100K is coming, and that worries me. But just looking at the 100 minus BTC, or should we just do the regular BTC dominance? Because so people be confused. We'll pull out the weekly. We'll pull out audio. So boom. Oh nah, this weekend. Sorry, Doge Lord, I can't. I want to, but I can't. I've got way too much this weekend going on. Way too much. But if I show up, I'll say what's up. Sorry, what's up? Hi, Scotty. Nice content, sir. Really appreciate your honesty. Yeah, bro. It's that's what people like about me. I've got a really good smile. You know what I'm saying? I got that Kool-Aid smile, but I keep it 100% real with you guys. Like, I was literally talking to somebody yesterday, and I'm if he watches this video, he gonna know I'm talking about him. But like, bro, you showed me like 3 different altcoins, and every altcoin had either very low trading volume, or was like on some weird exchange, or was like really, really low market cap. And I'm like, bro, you down here. Like, and but that's what people, this is what crypto YouTubers do to people. They make them go to the very last bottom of like crypto on coin market cap, not coin gecko, and look for like the $20 million market cap coin, or the $10 million. Yeah, guys, those are penny stocks. Those are penny stocks in crypto though. And like, people are expecting, and granted, those are the ones that can 10x really quickly, but you've got a penny stock that's been around since 2017 and it's still a penny stock. Some whale's gonna come pump it eventually. Yeah, because that's just the thing. Because when the real altcoin season comes, when the everything is just moving, yeah, them random coins from 2017 that's still on like page 17 of CoinGecko, they're gonna pop too. But are you willing to wait that long to happen while you see everybody else's coins from other YouTube shillers popping off? The bigger the YouTuber, the bigger the pop. You know what I'm saying? I'm here because you're beautiful. Yo, y'all dumb as hell. I'm here because you look superstar. Ooh, I'm a superstar. Anyways, going back to this, Bitcoin dominance is just getting thrashed, making new lows since April 2019. Like, this is before DeFi summer. Like, cause this is DeFi summer. Oh, this was DeFi summer, bro. But like, yeah, so we're making new lows, and we've been this way for a minute. Since January, guys. Since January, we've been in alt season. Bitcoin dominance has been crashing. Like, alt is feeling good. I don't see this trend really changing right now, but we're at a historical, like right now, this is a historical support point for Bitcoin. And so it feels like Bitcoin wants to pop back off and then just take all the money out of alts. But I could be wrong. You know what I'm saying? Now, right now, alts is doing its thing. If I'm looking at like alts versus BTC, so if I look at ETH versus BTC, had a nice pop. You know, it's making support here at this little area. What was it, like the 0.03 BTC area? And ETH looks like it wants to like keep going. It really does. If it holds this, if it really holds this, it'll go. It'll stop right here probably at 0.4 BTC, and then it'll go again. And it'll probably come like up here at like 0.08 BTC, and then that's probably when it's gonna stop. But I think this is gonna be like, when we're up here at 0.8 BTC, I think that's when it's gonna be a wrap, bro. Because a lot of altcoins don't make it back to their Bitcoin all-time highs. They really don't. a lot of altcoins don't make it back to their Bitcoin all-time highs. So I'm gonna just be real. So like Doge is a different beast. Doge is a different beast. But look at it. It's never gone back to, even throughout all the years since 2014, it's never came back from up here. Never. But not even trying to look at too many alts, but you can just see like just but then you got alts that look like this. Then you got RLC BTC, which is I got a bag of this. I'm not even gonna lie. It's looking good. Like this is a good, like if you're a trader, this is a good setup. Good setup. And you'd want to sell somewhere up here when this does that. This looks like it's gonna run versus BTC. And so that's what I'm struggling with right now. Cause all the big indicators that we're looking at are saying, I don't know. But then when I look at a specific coin and I look at this and I'm like, this looks like it's about to run. But you can see it can pretend like it's about to run and not run. You know, this is long periods of time. Mind you guys, this is the weekly chart. If I go back to the daily, this is what I'm looking at. It has to hold here and pop off some more. So just going to this website real quick, looking into Bitcoin. I don't even want to talk about this right now. This is an old chart, but this is the indicator that pretty much everybody was talking about yesterday. This pie chart indicator, which essentially what it does is when these lines cross, every time these lines cross. So if I pop into this, every time these lines cross, so the orange crosses under the green and the green crosses over the orange, it's a sign of a top. And just going back here, where's the home button? Going back here, it showed a nice little top right here, but you know, that was, what is it? The first little boom mini cycle. Then it showed another top right here. Cool. Then it showed the top right here. Bet. And now it's getting really close to showing another top. And so what happened yesterday is everyone was seeing it like, oh, the top is in, the top is in, the top is in. Everyone's calling for the top. And the person who even created this, of course, people know the people who created this, was like, hey, you got to make sure you use multiple indicators. You can't just use one indicator. Even though this thing may signal a top, it may not be right. But you've been saying that this thing calls tops for the longest. Now this thing don't call tops no more. You know what I'm saying? Like all of a sudden, it don't call tops no more. Stop playing with me. Yo, what's good? Appreciate the 99 cents, bro. Thank you. Not the shit emoji. What do you mean? Is the content shit? No. Why you gotta give me the shit emoji? No. But you gave me 99 cents though. I'll take the 99 cents. But going over here to the back to this. Hey, what's good, Ninja Grassmaster? Waving. Going to the stock to flow, the original stock. Well, not the original stock to flow. Without any changes from, because you know people have been changing the stock to flow ever since people realized that the original may not be right. You're not covering smart land. He on the indicator poop. Thank you. Great content. Thank you. War Kettle, thank you for the $1. Oh, you love me. You love me. But just getting best come to the weddings, Kins. When's the wedding? You trying to get me to go to Cyprus for the wedding? Man, you know, I'm not trying to get no COVID vaccine. I said the word COVID. Now the thing's gonna get banned. But just looking at all this indicator right here, the stock to flow. Oh, content is fire though. Ooh, my feelings. I'm happy again. Now, if you say something mean, I'm gonna be sad again. So don't do that. I'm emotional. I'm a Gemini. Stop playing with me. Going back to this. Hey, Q, chill out, dog. Chill out. Hey, appreciate it, Q. With the $10 tip. See, thank you, Mr. Boved with 20 radio. Oh, I get it. Bovid 20. That makes so much sense now. That makes so much. I'm like, what? I'm like, oh, see, you started the whole tipping thing. Regardless, stock the flow model right now. Looking like we're going to chill around 80K, 83K. I'd love for it to chill to 83K. But you also have to think about it. Look at where we are. Where this orange right here is showing like the time frame till the next halvening. The last time we were in this orange, we weren't even like close, bro. Last time we were in this like oranges looking like we're about to turn yellow, we were sitting at like $1,300. Bitcoin didn't even pop off yet. But yet we're here and we've already broken last all-time highs and we're in the orange. It's showing us, like it's telling us that we're here too early. We're here too fast. But what I do like about what this is showing right now, pull up that right here. Nobody be looking down here. We came back down into the green. I like that. I like that. I like us going back down to the green because coming back down into the green, the variance model down here, that's a good sign to buy. So you see how we're getting all these conflicting indicators, bruh. But you have to use all these different things to make up your own mind about what you're going to do. When we're doing this, when we're doing like variance model way too high, that's when I was like, all right, guys, it's enough. I like waves. I do like waves. I'm not trying to get into too many altcoins this morning because I do have to go to work and I just want to show people, like, focus on Bitcoin today and, you know, a little couple things here and there. Wait, what happened? STL. But I'll give you guys, I know I shouldn't do this. I really shouldn't. Because the moment I do it, it's whatever. Oh, it's Smartlands. I've seen Smartlands before. It's what? Solid. This. It's been around for a minute. Couldn't do it. It's popping off. All this volume came popping off. When it comes to cash value, it's been around since 2018. Let me guess. Is this an NFT thing? Smartlands? No. Tokenized regulated assets. Oh, is this the STOs? Are they their own blockchain? And they're their own blockchain. Oh, it's on Stellar. Yeah, this is Stellar's STO thing, I believe. Where they make regulated, like, we'll see if this is a thing. But yeah, this thing's popping off right now. And I couldn't buy into this right now. It just went straight up. And it's still going straight up. From what, almost $1 to now sitting, that's an 18-20x almost already. Have fun, enjoy, my guy, enjoy the gains. It was 450. Yeah, bro, enjoy the gains, bro. Mike, and this is just this year. Where did all this volume come from? Like, think about it. Think about how, like, nothing was going on for the longest. And then just, boom, volume. Out of nowhere. There's just volume now, guys. Pop off. Makes me feel like there's a whale that just, like, or a group of whales that decided to market make this, pop it off, just to make some money off of people. $1 million worth of trading volume. You know what I'm saying? Page 4. We'll see, though. But yeah, this is like their STO project, I believe. I remember that. I remember when this one came around. And I know it can't be this STL. This STL is Jesus. Oh my God. I'm not even gonna look. I'm not even gonna do that to you guys, dog. Everybody has staking though. That's the thing. The graph, yeah, the graph is solid. I've got bags of the graph though. Dogecoin. See, this is why I didn't want to do it. Look at the chat. Look at the chat. I knew it. But this last thing, and then we'll get into some stuff. Couple things that I want to get into because it's 7:30. All right, solid time. How long have I been on? Hopefully I'm not like rushing. Yeah, I've only been on for like 30 minutes. Can you see this? I can see you, Crypto Man 5000. Hi, morning everybody. Yeah, 30 minutes. Appreciate you. Bitcoin wallet sizes with at least 1 Bitcoin. So, of course, we using blockchain. We can look into these things. Websites like these can aggregate and look at the blockchain and see it. And right now it's looking like Bitcoin wallets with at least 1 Bitcoin are slowing down, as in, like, this has been in consistent growth, like parabolic growth since ever. And now it's finally starting to like lag because, of course, people aren't getting into Bitcoin right now. People are really focusing on like alts and trying to get in as much alts as possible and pump as much, get in, out, bomb. Like, what was it? One of my alt bags last night popped off. I was like, it was like 12 o'clock at night and I'm over here and I'm like, wait, what? Who? Hey. And I saw it was up 100% and I was like, it was like at $10 and I was like, I gotta sell this. I have to sell this. Like, anytime I see something pop off 100%, I'm taking my initial investment out, and just like how Scotty P be doing it too. Scotty P do the same thing. Take out my initial investment, let the rest ride, and then if it gets too big, cut. Like, I'm just almost like you're trimming hedges, bro. Trim the hedges. You don't let it grow wild, because then you start losing your thought process of this is the best bag in the world. It's gonna go up forever. You got to trim it down, keep it manted, and then you take those leaves and you make some tea with it. You know what I'm saying? Make some CBD tea with it, and then, put it into another bag and then pour that tea into some other seeds and then grow another flower. If you get what I'm saying, just, rewash your coins back into it. So, of course, I took these coins and I put it into ETH, and I'm like, all right, bet, because I don't know why this thing is popping off. I had to look, like, no clue. Is there even a reason why this coin popped off 100% almost overnight? Not like, I have no clue whatsoever, but I'm not going to be the fool to watch something pop off 100% and not take something. Trees don't grow to the sky until there's a compromise in the code, and then loop side bag becomes lopsided baggy old trash. Yeah. Like I said, like a lot of these coins, I'm like, I'm not playing. Granted, this may not, like, I'm supposed to hold this until the end of the bull market where everything pops, or I could sleep at night. Maybe I don't get those stupid, crazy, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna be able to sleep at night. And mentally, I already know when this bull market's over, I'm gonna be debt free. Like, it's a wrap, and y'all gonna see the video. I'm gonna be debt free, and I'm gonna be like, doing that kind of stuff. I put up oh man, just a side note. No one liked my picture, so I was a little pissed, but I found it funny as hell. For people who don't know what was going on with boy, he got fired. He got fired as he was ESPN analyst, because this dude went live. I forget his name now. He went live, and of course he was smoking weed. He's a basketball player. He was smoking weed. He had strippers in the back. He had a girl rubbing, and he's live doing this, and they playing poker, and they're all in somebody's house. If this was a video of him getting caught doing this, he wouldn't have got fired. But because he put this out himself, Paul Pierce, yeah, because he put the video out himself, because it was his live, they fired him off rip. And then I put it, says, when Bitcoin hits 100K, this is gonna be me. I'm gonna have the strippers in the back chilling, doing all this kind of stuff. Just for the first week though. Just for the first whatever. Yeah, just My dog said former Celtics All-Star Paul Pierce. My bad, bro. My fault, dog. I ain't mean to disrespect the guard like that. Former Celtics. Let me chill out, man. But yeah, I had to put that out. And then I had put this out right here, just showing people like, and I really want to know, like, how, thank you, Wolf Binance. Even though you're Binance, but whatever. How do we know that these Glassnode indicators are really, truly, true? Like, we're trusting that these companies, these indicator companies, are showing us the truth. But right now, miners, this is looking bullish. Miners are accumulating. They're not selling from what Glassnode is telling us. Somebody said if there was a bunch of boy booty holes walking around, he would still have a job. If he were gay, he'd still have a job. Yeah. Because trust me, the LGBTQ community would not have let him got fired whatsoever. You right about that one. I'll give you that one, bro. I'll give you that one. Hey, Anthony, good morning, bro. What's up? You waking up and just dropping tips. You don't got to do that, but thank you. You amazing, bro. You amazing. Blah. So, going back to this, whale wallets. So, wallets with 1 BTC getting pretty stagnant. Wallets with 10 BTC looking pretty shaky right now. Let me move my face. There we go. Wallets with 10 BTC are looking pretty shaky right now. But it's the selling looks like it wants to stop, but I don't think it is. So you got to think about it. Like, one BTC 56, you're not a whale. You know what I'm saying? You 1 BTC, you're a really broke black YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? 1 BTC, that's all right. But then you got 10 BTC. What we looking at? Ooh. Well, it's simple math, Mackenzie. If one is hey, I'm sorry. if one is 56,000, then 10 is just a 10x, and it's just 500,000. I can't right now, though. I'm being stupid. But people with 500,000 in BTC, like, they're slowly still in selling off. So that's like the mid whale. That's like, you know, I've had Bitcoin for a while. 100 BTC. And so what? Like, you know, simple math. Oh my God. 5 million. If you had 5 million BTC right now, people with 5 mil in BTC are pretty stagnant. They don't, like, you know, no change whatsoever. Just cool. People with 1,000 BTC or more, they're selling off like crazy up here. Yet the price still isn't reflecting what these big whales are selling. But here's the thing. They initially had a really big pop off from the start. Like, this was just consistent growth with the price of Bitcoin. But for some reason, the moment we had our recent top, the moment we had this right here, like right here talking about 57K, it was like, oh, I don't know. So where are these BTC going? You know, and why are these dudes with so much BTC selling off essentially, yet the price isn't crashing like crazy to reflect this? Because this is 1,000 Bitcoin per wallet, unique wallet, bro. These are the whales. You know, these are the whales. They've been selling, yet it's not affecting us like that. That's why I'm like, we gotta come back down. Now, granted, they came back down to the mean. Their wallet size came back down to like where the 20K was. But their initial pop off, because like you remember this happened right here. I think this is Michael Saylor, bro. You know what I'm saying? This ain't Michael Saylor. He ain't got that much. He ain't got billions. He only got like maybe a couple. Like yeah, he's got like what 2-3 billion in Bitcoin right now. Made more money buying Bitcoin than he's made in God knows how long. Let me see what you guys are talking about. But I just had to show you guys that, man. I just had to show you guys that. So let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Bovid, Crypto Man. Oh, smoke so much. Bovid, it takes more than 100K to retire. Oh, yeah. You need more than $1 million to retire in America. Unless, you know, you want to go. Oh, yeah. Hey, y'all better check out Doge Lord's thing. In fact, let me see if I got it up. DCA TV, Adventures, man. Shout out to the team. Hey. Shout out to the cohorts. To my cohorts. To my cohorts, man. If you guys haven't, they own it, bro. When it comes to miners, they own it. When it comes to trading, they own it. When it comes to live streams, hanging out, they own it. Like, and now they finally on DeFi. Good job. Good job. And they're set up, bro. And of course, you go to it. My dog, they got everything from the Twitter to the everything, bro. DCA Adventures, they're my family. Like, I don't think you guys understand. When I first got into crypto, it was I went through every YouTuber, but it was the only YouTubers that stuck around with me were Chico, because I'm like, this man's real. He just speaks the truth. Of course, Ninja Grassmaster, what's up? I keep saying Ninja Grassmaster because I don't know why, even though it says Ninja Grass Shopper. I'm just gonna keep calling you Ninja Grassmaster, man. I don't know why. But DCA merch, all that good stuff. But these are the people that I rocked with when I first got into crypto. If you see my early videos, we were making videos like, yeah, bro. Always gonna shout you guys out when you guys come through. Always. What was it? Oh, I was reading the chat. That's what I was doing. So, oh, y'all just talking with each other. Facts. Facts. I remember when I was getting one full BTC at 8K was unfathomable. And then 32 ETH seemed oh, bro, 32 ETH seemed so unreachable at the beginning of 2020. 32 ETH seemed so unreachable. One Bitcoin seemed so unreachable at the beginning of 2020. And I don't know, bro, like DeFi summer came. What is it? First Black Friday with March, COVID, all that, and it just seemed like it was just like, hey, it will, it'll never happen. I'll never get one Bitcoin. I'll never get 32 Ethereum. And then DeFi summer came, and it was like, what is going on? Like I remember DeFi summer, I wasn't sleeping, guys. It was bad. Because I was just jumping in. I was I hate to say it, I was aping into everything. And it didn't matter, because as long as you aped into something and you had somebody talk about it the next day, it was gonna 5x minimum 5x. And then one Bitcoin and 32 Ethereum wasn't as unreachable anymore. Wild, bro. Wild. Oh, y'all got the Twitter up? Hold on. Let me pop. In fact, I didn't even drop a link to this. Drop the link to my boys, man. Always support my boys. And I know y'all miners is eating, bro. Oh my God. Y'all eating so good off of us trading on ETH and stuff. What I'm talking about. Let me drop the link right here. Oh, it's Aeon. They must be supporting. Bro, I'm telling you, they getting fat. Engine's gonna pop, bro. Engine already popped. What you mean? It's up there. People eating off of Engine right now. Yeah, laser eye. Let me see what you guys cohorts. Doing things you don't want to do is work. This is all play to me. I can't wait till this. Like, guys, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I can't wait till the next bear market. Because in the bear market, I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna have fun in the bear market because people want to be entertained. And when coins aren't popping 3, 4, 5x in a day, I'm gonna be right here. And I've got some really good ideas for the bear market. I promise you. That's when it's really right now. It's just about making money. That's just it. It's just about making money right now. Chico has dropped several gems. Oh, bro, don't talk about the Chico gem. Don't. Oh, they be killing it. The bubble will burst soon. Yeah, it has to. This won't last forever. Another good watch is Nomad Capitalist. His material is really for those much bigger than us, but it's some good material. But that's the thing. You're supposed to watch people like just like what we're doing right now. We watch whale wallets on ETH, you know? And just because the content that they make isn't really for us, I want to know what these giant Bitcoin whales are really. Because here's the thing. You know a Bitcoin whale. You know a Bitcoin whale just by the way they act. Because they speak the way they want. Like, oh, bro, I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. Because they speak the way they want. They say what they want. Like, they could be racist. They could be gay. They can be ultra black, neo-Nazi black. Like, I know that how you get neo-Nazi and black in the same sentence, I don't know. But you can literally act however you want once you're crypto rich. Because your money isn't tied to no company. Your money isn't tied to any business that doesn't want to make sure that you don't say the wrong things. You can say what you want, when you want, how you want. Because we're in a decentralized economy. People, like, even I was moderating Chico's channel yesterday, and people were pissed because I was blocking all their altcoin talk. How could you do that? You're centralizing the chat. Boo to the moderator. People in this space love do what you want. It's pushed so hard to do what you want. This is decentralized, and I can't wait. I can't wait till the real crypto whales start getting into politics. Because right now, these politicians right now, they're not crypto whales, bro. They may have a lot of money that can get into crypto, but they're not crypto whales. There's a difference. By the way, smash the like button. Doge Lord Apparel. Everybody's invited to the free tournament. Come through. Y'all hear my boy. Always got to support my boy. So now let me get back to these chats. Because what is it? I pretty much went through all this. Oh, I've got, like I said, I was looking at, this nice chart. Altcoins, like this is low key. And I'm going to get back to the chat real quick. Low key, this is becoming useless. Granted, like right now, I'm scared out of my mind. But I'm like, man, we're in alt season. Like, this is what we're about to go off the chart. We're about to go off the chart. Like, this chart's gonna have to get bigger. And when this chart gets bigger, I wonder if we push over, like, is this gonna like expand? Is this chart gonna expand? Yes. And is it alt season? Yes, it's been alt season. Is it altcoin month? Yes. Like, look. See, and hey, real rock gems. These are the coins you're supposed to be looking at right now. NEM. I know what you may be thinking. NEM, GRT, Aave, Synthetics, Uni, AVAX, Atom, Comp, H, and well, I guess ADA2, Link, and Dot. But NEM, like, if you're a trader, NEM is what you want to look at right now, because over the past 30 days, it hasn't pumped. So right now, the last thing I want to be is in hot. Last thing I want to be is in BTT. Last thing I want to be is in Phil, Theta. Like, all these are like XRP, Soul. Like, and I'm pretty sure this is what everyone's talking about right now. Phil, BTT. No, I don't even. Probably people are probably going to talk about hot today or something. XRP, Soul's been getting a lot of push lately. VeChain's always got VeChain, but Engine. But this is where you're supposed to be looking. NEM, GRT, that, like, those are about, if they're down like this, those are the ones that are about to pop. 50 top performers in the past year. But some of these just look like Neo, Bat. If you haven't been performing against BTC this year, I don't know if I want to jump into you like that. Pro, Monero, yeah, I mess with some Monero. But I like looking at this chart because it helps you. It helps you really, like, if you're trading, you really can use this as trading. Now, oh, you be on point. Realistic information. Yeah, it's telling you guys. I'm telling you guys. I'ma just keep it real in what I see. And a lot of YouTubers, they're not gonna, like, they're gonna tell you they're keeping it real, and I'm gonna tell you, nah, bro, I'm keeping it real. But I have my perspective. You know what I'm saying? I have a real dark, because, like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. When I first got into crypto, I used to love this thing, man. I'm like, I used to be like, this is gonna change the world. Oh my God, you can do this. Oh, look, the magic of this internet money. Now, it's gotten so dirty to me. But you have to understand, we're talking about cryptocurrency. We're talking about money. Everything about money is dark and dirty. And I don't know if about me, but I always like to find that dark and dirty stuff that nobody talks about. And after seeing, like, all the dark, shady stuff that happens in crypto, it just makes me feel like, all right, I need to be the dude that just doesn't scream everything's all like rainbows and cupcakes and shit, because it's not. You finna hop into some YouTuber's coin. I'ma pray for you. I'ma go to the one he ain't talk about yet and love it. I love the bear market. ENJ, but yeah. Let me get back to these comments. Realistic, be on point. Oh, you didn't have to tip me. I just saw your thing, and then you tipped me again. Appreciate it. They're about to put Engine. Yeah, they're gonna put, like, have y'all seen the coins that Engine? I'm waiting. Look, F all that. No. F all that, bro. Not even Coinbase IPO. Coinbase list. Like, I want to see the coins they just listed. They just listed, like, a bunch of coins. What is it? Twitter? I'll go to Twitter. But they just literally. And as much as people think about it, the Coinbase pump is still alive and well. Um, Coinbase pump is still alive and well. There we go. Oh, that's why bruh's MKN popped off. Taco Sun was talking about it, and I pulled it up too. I'm like, who else has holding the old bag of NKN besides me? Look, the Coinbase pump is still alive and well. Like, if you're getting a coin listed on Coinbase right now, right before the IPO, popping off. But I'm pissed because I'm waiting for Coinbase to Real talk, I am waiting for Coinbase. I'm waiting for Coinbase to list pull together. I'm waiting for Coinbase to list pull together. On the real. Right now, the chart, see, this is the chart I like to see. Even though it doesn't have like crazy amounts of volume, and yes, this was airdropped, and so it's only on like ridiculous exchange and all that stuff. But pull together you guys, I've used pull together, and I got this pull together airdrop as well. No loss lottery type having stuff. Deposit now. Let me see what I got. And not the shield, but the reason why I like pull together is because they got their regular pools that they came up with themselves, and now they got community pools where all different DeFi products can create community pools. So there are more community pools. Oh, I am not connecting my wallet right now. Dismiss. There you go. See, and like they're opening, like, look at all these pools. Cash.bet. Like, what in the world? Look at all these different pools you can deposit your altcoins into and play in the no loss lottery. They opened it up to all of DeFi to be able to like go in there and do it. And they tell you right now, this is a pool together, this is a pool together, this is a pool. And they've been around for a while. This is going to get listed on Coinbase, guys. Coinbase has been sniffing around on these dudes. So I'm waiting. And of course, it's not popping off. It's not going crazy. Now, granted, this thing could still be going down. It could still be consolidating. And that's fine with me. But I already know when the end of the bull market happens, everything goes up. Everything. Now, granted, this is, like I said, I need to see a little, like, it's been using $17, $18 as support. If it can pop off, I'll be happy. I'll take my gains. So I'm waiting on this to get listed on Coinbase. But just going back to, like I said, Coinbase listings alive and well. Engine came through, NKN came through, Origin came through, even 1inch came through. Look at all these coins they just been adding and adding and adding. My gosh. Guys, it's about to be an hour. It's about to be time for me to go. I didn't even realize how fast it was going. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew the moment I started talking about alts, I was gonna get lost in the sauce. What's the deal with Loopring? It's a second layer solution for ETH. Originally, they were focused on decentralized exchanges. Then they kind of pivoted to make sure that they're like more of a second layer solution for ETH. Yeah, time flies really quickly. Coinbase gave them original investment monies. Yup, they sure enough did. That's why I'm waiting on it, bro. Shh. 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 But yeah, Coinbase gave them seed money a while back. The L is looking really interesting. LPL. Oh, that's the link staking, link pool. How's it doing? Yeah. Sell off a little bit more. Find the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. See, I like looking at this. Hold on, sorry y'all. I like seeing this. Link pool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's very little volume. It's not on much. It's only on Bancor. That's the problem. You see, the fact that this thing isn't going off is because it's only on Bancor like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, sell off real quick. Find the bottom. Looking at it. See, this is what you want to look for. Not like straight down like this, but after doing this, you want to see it like flatten out. And when it starts flattening out, that's when you want to start buying it. If there wasn't if it weren't for all the money printing, it would be time to watch for the door on BTC because we're hitting the big news. I'm telling you, bro. The Coinbase news is. I talked about it at the beginning of the show. Coinbase news is. I really feel that's going to be a little mini market top. So if live stream, bro, yeah, live stream, bro, early. But nah. I don't realize the time. I gotta go to work. I have to go to work. Yeah. Oh, I gotta go to work, guys. I'd be here for another 2 hours. Straight up, I'd be here another 2 hours talking about coin if I didn't have to go to work. But I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody for tipping today. I really didn't expect to be getting tips this early in the morning whatsoever. In a bull market, even stable coins are pumping. I had to come back and see that, bro. I had to come back and read it for you because I'm like, wait a second. But I appreciate everybody for coming through. Scotty P, Ninja Grassman, Denho Montague, Crypto Man, what is it? LA Rom. Appreciate you. Damn Moof. where's my Bovid code? Where's my Bovid 20? Bovid 20. Appreciate you starting the tipping war because you definitely started the tipping war. Everybody that came through, and of course my boys, Ninja Grassmaster, and of course DogeLord.com. Like I said, if you guys haven't, they've got a solid thing coming up. Check my boy out. I'm put him in the chat. Thank you, Amish Patel. Gotta love it. Dear Kinsey's boss, Kinsey won't be able to come. Please prescribe 2 hours of live streaming instead of working. Signed, Kinsey's doctor. Hi, thank you, Snai. You've been Snai. How do I even say it? Tell me how to pronounce it. But thank you for coming through. You've been in there for a minute too. But other than that, check me out next time. Take it easy. Peace. Yeah. Stop fucking with me, dog. I've been doing this shit.